As you know, 90% of accidents are preventable. But still, every day, there are incidents and accidents. On the workplaces, there are many factors involved. There may be job factors, personal factors, environmental factors, or organizational factors. In this training session, I would like to share 15 key points, 15 key strategies, how we can prevent workplace accidents. So without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1, conduct a hazard assessment. As a safety practitioner, as a site safety manager, you should understand a hazard assessment involves identifying potential hazards in the workplace and taking steps to eliminate or control them. For example, a manufacturing plant may conduct a hazard assessment to identify potential hazards such as machinery that lacks proper guarding or hazardous chemicals that need to be properly labeled and stored. Point number 2, develop a safety program. A safety program is a set of policies and procedures designed to prevent workplace incidents and accidents. For example, a hospital may develop a safety program that includes policies for hand hygiene, infection control, and patient handling. Point number 3, implement safety policies. Dear friends and fellows, implementation is the key point. Implementing safety policies ensures that everyone in the workplace is aware of the risks and knows how to take measures to prevent incidents and accidents. For example, a construction company may implement policies for fall protection, hazard communication, and equipment inspection. Point number 4, provide safety equipment. Providing safety equipment and personal protective equipment ensures that workers are protected from hazards in the workplace. For example, a roofing company may provide workers with safety harnesses, hard hats, and safety glasses to protect them from falls and flying debris. Point number 5, ensure that equipment is maintained. Regular maintenance and inspection of equipment can help prevent accidents caused by faulty or malfunctioning equipment or machinery. For example, a transportation company may ensure that their vehicles are regularly serviced and inspected to prevent mechanical failures. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and fellows. Today, we are discussing about key strategies, how we can prevent workplace incidents and accidents. Point number 6, train employees. Training employees on the safety procedures and practices ensures that they are aware of potential hazards and know how to respond in the event of an emergency situation. For example, a manufacturing plant may train employees on lockout, tagout procedures, confined space entry, and emergency evacuation. Point number 7, establish a safety committee. A safety committee can help identify potential hazards and make recommendations for improving safety. For example, a construction company may establish a safety committee that includes representatives from management, maintenance staff, and operations to review incident reports and make recommendations for improving safety to prevent or to avoid reoccurrences. Point number 8, develop emergency procedures. Developing emergency procedures helps ensure that employees know how to respond in the event of an incident or accident. For example, a chemical plant may develop emergency procedures for chemical spills or fires. Point number 9, promote safety culture. Dear friends and fellows, promoting a safety culture within the organization can help ensure that safety is a top priority for everyone. For example, A manufacturing company may promote a safety culture by holding regular safety meetings, providing incentives for safe behavior, and recognizing employees who consistently follow safe working procedures. Point number 10, conduct regular safety audits. Conducting regular safety audits can help identify potential hazards and ensure that safety policies and procedures are being followed. For example, a warehouse may conduct regular safety audits of job sites to identify potential hazards and ensure that workers are following safety procedures. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today we are discussing the procedures, how we can prevent, how we can avoid potential workplace accidents and incidents. There are 15 key points. If you will follow on your work site, you can prevent, you can reduce the number of workplace accidents in your project. Point number 11, investigate incidents and near misses. Investigating near misses, incidents and accidents can help identify their cause and prevent them from happening in the future. For example, a construction company may investigate an incident where a worker was injured by a falling object to determine what went wrong and how to prevent it from happening again. So, investigation is important and the investigation outcome or the lesson learned shall be communicated to all the workforce for their information, knowledge and training to prevent reoccurrences. Point number 12, establish a reporting system. Establishing a system for reporting hazards and incidents encourages employees to report potential hazards or incidents so that they can be addressed before an incident occurs. For example, a hospital may establish a reporting system for employees to report incidents such as patient falls or medication errors. Point number 13, continuously improve safety procedures. Continuously reviewing and improving safety procedures ensures that the organization is keeping up with the changing technologies and new hazards. For example, an oil refinery may continuously review and update their safety procedures to address hazards related to new technologies or the equipment. Point number 14, communicate safety information. Regularly communicating safety information to employees ensures that everyone is aware of potential hazards and new safety procedures. For example, a construction company may communicate safety information through toolbox talks, induction trainings, or task-specific or job-specific trainings such as working at height, confined space entry, and excavation safety training. The last point, point number 15. There are procedures, there are risk assessments, there are methods of statement, there are HSE practitioners, and there are supervisory staff. If resources are available and there is gap or lagging in the direct supervision of the site workforce, there is no way to prevent workplace accidents. Because workers, they always in a hurry. They are fond of shortcuts. They want to go home early. So, in all cases, if you are a safety practitioner, you are a site supervisor, or you are a construction manager, you need to supervise your workplace activities and you need to categorize and prioritize the high-risk activities, complete the task safely and efficiently. Only paperwork doesn't work, but the active participation from the site supervisory staff and the safety commitment from the top management makes the difference. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSE tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck and goodbye.